Hello, today I'll be comparing Tastyle hot and iced coffee machine versus KIDISLE single serve coffee machine. Be sure to watch the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee, Tastyle is better. Brewing capacity, Tastyle is better. Programmability, Tastyle is better. Brews range control, Tastyle is better. Single serve option, KIDISLE is better. Waters were Tastyle better, hot sized coffee brewing Tastyle better, technology Tastyle better, LCD display interface Tastyle better, heating speed KIDISLE better, it is easy of use KIDISLE better, filter type KIDISLE better, size portability KIDISLE better, cleaning KIDISLE better, footprint design KIDISLE better, build quality stay, special features Tastyle better, price KIDISLE better, who's best for depends on your preference, coffee quality Tastyle better, durability stay. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Tastyle hot and iced coffee machine. The link to buy it is in the video description.